Righto guys, mid-November, we're going to give you a quick workshop walkthrough. We've just been over in the States for a few weeks with the Sema truck. We've come back and it is full as a shoe here. So let's go have a look and run into Christmas, what the boys have got to finish. Righto, Ford Ranger here. This is nearly ready for pickup. This is a pretty cool little build. We don't do many Rangers. It's got the full Tray-Tech package on the back. Heap of lighting, the GVM upgrade compressors and ARB bar work, all sorts of stuff going on there. So I think it's 4.2 ton GVM, so nice big GVM on him. Patrol there, just awaiting a bar at paint. That's had the 4 ton GVM and a couple of little things. I'm not going to talk about Matt's boat because it's here again, but no, I think he's getting some Starlink, some Red Arc system, a few other bits and pieces to get ready for his big trip coming up. My boat's faster than that as well, remember that? Chevy 2500, we built this thing a few weeks ago. It's come back for some steps and a couple of little add-ons, some Starlink and stuff as well, I think. Another build that's come back just for a couple of little bits and pieces. It's only here for today. This thing looks awesome, liquid spring. It's the extra cab / regular cab, Offroad creative bar. This is F truck over from Perth, so he brought this over to us to build it. Tray-Tech on the back. I think it's got BDS suspension, front bar, roof rack, the Starlink as well, a few bits and pieces. Otherwise 62 full build. This has got all our interior in it, the chrome delete, wood grain delete, dash, front bar, usual sort of full touring build. Some cool power and compressor and stuff in the back. White Y62, instead of the blackout, we've done a bit of a white out on that. That looks pretty cool, I like it. Stormtrooper sort of look. We actually did a lift, wheels and tyres and a baller exhaust on this about 4 years ago, I think. He's just come back for a checkup. Needed some bushes and stuff done on the front, so that's come back. That's all ready to go out the Savi. F250, this is a 2024 from Maracunda. Liquid spring, tank and a bar on this one. Always a liquid spring going on here, there is no better. Quick Y62 there for the 4 ton GVM. Okay, Dobinson coils, airbag man bags. Wall of wheels. If you need wheels, let us know. These ones are really good. All right, out in the car park. It's a bit scary out here. We've got to get it all done, but let's start here. F150, Offroad creative front bar. That's getting our 4.2 ton GVM, wheels and tyres. This one's come up from Melbourne just for a few repairs. He's been on a trip. She's looking a bit worse for wear. This is full Kelderman, built by the boys down south. Yeah, a couple of air tank issues and that we're going to go through and fix that up. Full drive guide's come back for a couple of extra things as well. He's been on a trip, absolutely loves it. Chevy 2500 with the GCI tray, BDS 3-inch kit and the tray on this one. I think that's about it for that one. What do we got over here? Don't worry about him. Oh, come through here. Y62, brand new. This one's going to be pretty cool, it's a bit different. I'm not going to tell you much about that, stay tuned. You'll know this one soon. Pilux waiting on lift kit to turn up. We've done front bar winch and steady lights. 200 series, he's in for a head unit, I think, and a wheel and some rear screens. Like still seeing them come through. Another F150 for a 4.2 ton GVM. Chevy 25, this is our mate up north. He's come back again. We did a massive power system underneath this and some sliders. Outback hitters, shocks, and the airbags in the back. He's come back for a few things. We're going to tweak with the suspension, some floor mats, I think a roof rack. Those Ultravision spotties are next level too, by the way. Big F450 of ours is sitting pretty. Dino's rig here from Bush Company, Ram 1500. We've done GVM on that. We are waiting for all the color coding to come back. We're going to do some Baja lights and bits and pieces on that. 200 series. There's two 200s here. Just a few little bits and pieces on these. I think this was getting head units on both, rear screens. One of them's getting a ceramic coating. Y62, 4.5 ton GVM on this one. Another one pretty much in the same boat, guys. Chrome deletes and front bars and bits and pieces. Patrols are still coming, which is awesome because we love them. So that's about it, guys, that we've got to get done before Chrissy. So we're chock-a-block. Give us a shout if you want something done in the new year. We've got spots in January, Feb, March, you name it. GVMs, new cars, 79s, patrols, American trucks. Give us a shout. Liquid spring suspension, Ram 3500. Those kits are on the way. Don't miss out on them.